ASIair's just arrived, so a little unboxing video. Excuse the sound of the fish tank in the background. So we have an SD card. This is a test model, so it might have a larger memory card than I think they were always standard. A bit of polystyrene. That looks like a USB power cable. A USB serial adapter, a sticky pad, a very nicely made 12 volt to 5 volt adapter, so that you can power the Raspberry Pi from your normal 12 volt power. So I think that's a standard 2.1mm DC jack there, and then there's your USB out. But this is very, very weighty, very nicely made anodized aluminium, very classy. And here is the ASIair itself, which looks like a standard Raspberry Pi case, but with a flashy colour scheme and the logo on the front. The SD card is already installed, so I'm going to go and have a play. We'll let you know how I get on.